I'm gonna show you how to play like block games on like school Chromebooks. So I will link this in the description. It's a Google site made by Seal Central. I'll link his channel in the description. But he's a nice YouTuber. This is where I found the channel. I'll link his channel in the this both in the description. Yeah, here it is. I'll link this channel in the description, and yeah, and I'll show you. I will link the channel in the description. I don't know why, but I always like linking this in the description, like the about page. Okay, I'll show you. I'm linking in the description. So go to upload defaults. Go to description. There you go. Okay, so you go to this web page and you can go to this games. I don't know why it's spelled like that. Games or apps, it doesn't really matter. I'll go to both. So there's websites, there's this. These aren't blocked, but you can go to the virtual machines, go to OS, and you can go to VPS. Whatever that is. I don't know what VPS is, so I don't know what. So you go to games, and this video is of games. So, Flash, yeah. 3D engines. Yes, Baldi. Okay. This game is 100%, yeah. Blady? Look what it's called. Blady's Basics. Idiots. But if it doesn't work, it says untitled and refuses to connect. So, yeah. Blady. I'm calling it Blady Basics from now on. Yeah, go to this website. Shieldcraft, what is this? Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye-bye.